Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial Python video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we can use the entry widget. The entry widget allows you to type in text and then input it for an output. So we're going to utilize this text for a result. So I already created the text entry widget, which has an entry and a root, and text.pack. I'll show you why we need to have this second line a bit later. And now we have our button, root, command, calculate, text, and submit are all the things in the parentheses, and we pack that normally. We output this result. Oh yeah, we need to show the calculation. So we're going to use pass because I don't want to work on the formula just yet. I just want to see this entry widget and show you guys. Okay. Right here, we have our text widget, which you can type in. Hi everyone. You probably can't see because it's kind of small, but it does say some text and you will be able to see it when you do it on your computer. Okay, now we have the calculator and we need to create a formula to take the Earth's weight and put it on the moon's weight. Well, this is what the program is for this thing, where we're going to have our Earth's weight and we're going to take this weight from our Earth, use a calculation, and calculate the weight on the moon. Because the moon and differences in gravity and atmosphere, it changes quite a bit. So it'll be cool to see how we can use science and moon facts to create a program which allows you to get a bunch of numbers in comparison extremely fast instead of filing it through a calculator every time. Okay, now we have our calculate and we need to create a variable for what we input in text. So if we do x equals text and we do print x, you'll get this nasty little number. And what this number is saying is it's undefined and text is not even a real thing. It's just a variable for a widget. We have to use a special method called text.get. Text.get allows us to print the entry and use this entry. We do something like hi, we get hi. Cool. Now we have our get and we need to calculate it to 0.165. So say your weight's 100, then your weight will soon be, on the moon, 16.5 pounds. This is the calculation. It's 16.5%. So let's create that. Now, one thing we need to do is, since we're using numbers here, we need to turn our x into an integer of base 10. Okay, now we can do x equals x, which is text.get as an integer, times 0.165, which is the percent. Now, if you do this, you do print x. So say we type in our 100 pounds, we get 16.5. If we do 1,000 pounds, we get 165 pounds. And this is a formula that works. Now, instead of printing it and putting it on two different windows, one is the ITL and one is the tkinter, let's just put it in a new label. We can do it. This label, no variable required, root text equals, x, and packet. To do 100, and we get this amazing little label here. Alright, this is it for this video. We learned how to use 3 widgets and combine them together. We learned how to use the entry widget and use a special method called get to get the entry widget. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.